Okay guys, so if you want to use 3D zoom in this Capcut application, first you have to update this app. Go to your Play Store, search Capcut, and you can update this. I have already updated guys, so link is in the description to update this. So just update and open this Capcut. Now new project, and I select photos just to show you. Okay, now I select this photo, this and this, and then add. Okay, and then now, and you can merge this photo. So I first crop it properly. Now guys, you can add audio also, you can sound, music, anything. So I select one sound. Okay, so just if you want to do 3D effect, just click in this photo, and then you can see here guys the button, star button style. So just click on this, and now you have to select 3D zoom. Okay, you can see here guys, these are the two options, 3D zoom pro and 3D zoom. So I select this 3D zoom, and it takes some seconds, so just you have to wait guys, generating. Okay, now I play this. You can see here guys, this is a 3D zoom. Now again in this photo, same, I select 3D zoom. Now I select 3D zoom pro. Okay, you can use 3D zoom, and here are so many transition. 3D zoom pro also available here. Now again I show you, you can see here guys, 3D zoom, 3D zoom pro. Okay, after you complete, just if you want to download, just click on this and select the resolution, and now this is saving to my gallery. Okay, so this is the method guys to add 3D effect in your any photo or video from this app, from this trick. Okay, so if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. So bye bye guys.